at 7 in the morning. Not to paint, not to sell paintings at an art market, but to go separate treasured belongings out of trash bags full of trash. Won't you join me? Oh my God, this is so boring. Hurry, speed it up. I feel like going back home. Oh, look, graffiti. Cessation. Stalling. Okay. Let's go home. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. Let's make people give up and go back home. Sorry about the filthy windows. Nazareth has not cleaned the windows. So she refuses to clean the windows. So got Splick on them backwards now. Going this way. So this is where we used to live. And we got kicked out in January. In the cold, remember? And had to leave it. And this is how they handled it. So I've been given permission to go through these trash bags and get whatever I want out of them. So that's what we're doing today. How you doing? So the main thing is that all this stuff is a pain in the butt to move. It's a real pain. And in January, I hurt quite a deal. Quite a big bit. So moving furniture out of here was tough. So I got exhausted. So we're gonna just toss all this. And it was inside, but now it's outside. And this is how I have to deal with it. And there may not be anything in there. I know there was some stuff in there. But it's the way it goes for some people. People are big and important and they don't care about the little people. So we can get it done. Well, you see, he's having to really get it done. And all aboard. I've been throwing up this weekend, and I thought today I'd be okay, but working in the heat of deep East Texas has triggered me again. I don't feel so good. So I'm gonna take a break. But I thought you might want to watch.